Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Chuck in Colorado on this Ranger Rci-6900. This unit has the 2-pill Toshiba 2290 in it. Just a little used radio I had that Chuck was interested in, so I'll do a little video here. He's going to be running just the radio by itself, 100 watt slug. Set up 10 watts all the way down just in case he decided to run an amplifier with it. About 42 all the way up. Go 250 watt slug. Going to show you average power swing. Low, low, low. Looking about 160, 165 watts. Alright, Chuck, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com, and check us out on the web at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.